Sanatty Unisex Hoodies 3D print galaxy pullover hooded sweatshirt with big pockets for teen men. Teen boys. Women. Brighten your galaxy with vivid colors. This hoodie features a stunning 360-degree front and back print with a realistic 3D digital design that stands out in any crowd. Its vibrant galaxy pattern will make you feel unique and eye-catching wherever you go. Soft, cool, and lightweight. Made with 92% polyester and 8% spandex, this hoodie offers a comfortable, breathable fit without the bulk of traditional cotton. It's lightweight, non-cotton, and free of velvet. The fabric feels great against your skin and maintains its fresh look without fading, cracking, peeling, or flaking. Guaranteed for 30 days after purchase. Hoodie with big pockets. The hoodie features spacious pockets that are perfect for keeping your hands warm or storing small items. This is especially convenient for when you're out and about. No need for a bag when you can carry your essentials right in your hoodie. Loose, casual design. The hoodie's relaxed, loose fit offers maximum comfort and freedom of movement, making it perfect for casual wear. It's easy to layer with other clothing like t-shirts and jackets, and simple to put on or take off.